This is the non-color graded video, as you guys can see, and this is the color graded video, and you guys can tell the difference. Color grading is a very essential way of making your video pop, even if your video was filmed in a place that the light is not really popping. Okay, so once you make your video and you feel that your video is not bright enough, okay, this is where color grading comes into play. It can give that top-notch look to your video. So as a beginner content creator and you're on YouTube and you make videos, especially talking head videos, and you want your video to look pretty good, okay, without spending tons of money, and you want to learn how to color grade free of charge using your phone, okay, as a beginner, because this is one of the editing skills you need to learn as someone that's starting content creation to make your video look beautiful. Okay, so this is for beginners that don't know how to color grade, that don't know how to do basic color grading to their video. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Let me share with you my screen. To color grade your video is simple. You can do that on your phone, and we're going to be using a beginner friendly app. We are going to be using the InShot app to color grade our video. Okay, so if you film a video in a low light, like where you initially framed the video is not bright, you can color grade your video to up the video to make the video look beautiful. Okay, and that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. You go to the InShot app, you tap to open. Once you open the app, you go to video, because what you want to color grade is our video. Okay, you go to video, you tap on video, tap on this plus sign. So go ahead and choose any video you want to color grade. So let's go for this. Then you go to this tick line, you tap. Okay, so here is the video I want to color grade. As you guys can see, this is just the plain video. I just filmed this video. I've not added any touch of enhancement to this video. Okay, so color grading is also adding enhancement to your video. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So this is a video that has not been touched, it has not been enhanced. Okay, so we're going to be color grading this video to take it to another level of enhancement, right? The first thing you're going to do, okay, is to locate filter section. You're going to see canvas, audio, sticker, text, effect, filter. So you go to filter, you tap on filter. So once filter opens, you're going to be going to the adjustment. So these are going to go to, okay, to do the work, right? You tap on adjustment. So you're going to be working with some of these things here. Number one is the lightness. Okay, there's no actual rule, okay, on the level of enhancement, okay, to your video. It depends on how bright or how dark your video is. That will determine the level of enhancement you can give to the video. Okay, so take for instance, if a video was filmed in a very low light, it will need more enhancement than a video that was filmed in a bright light. That is just it. Let's take the lightness, okay, to 20. Okay, as you guys can see, that's just focus your attention here. The first is lightness, so I move this slider to 20, so you guys can see 20. The next is contrast. Focus attention here and here also. So the next is contrast. Okay, so let's tap on contrast, right? Then we're going to drag this contrast to, say, depending on what you want, let's leave it at 12 so it will not be too bright. The next is warmth. We are going to drag this warmth to, say, 14. You can add tint to it. Okay, this is what tint gives. Okay, let's give it a little tint. Let's give it like 4. Okay, tint is 4. Then saturation, let's take the slider to 5. So it depends on what you want. Okay, then this is curve, HSL. This one is premium, fade, highlight. Okay, let's go to highlight. Okay, let's take the highlight to, just be watching the video, depends on what you want. Let's take the highlight to 20. Shadow, which is the next, let's take the shadow to -15. Okay, so you can sharpen it a little. All these ones It depends on what you want. Okay, for this particular one, I'm okay with this, and as you guys can see, the picture is already popping, right? You can sharpen a little. You can just sharpen, drag the slider to like say 5. This is our video now. Okay, as you guys can see, this is what our video is looking like now. Okay, and let me duplicate it and remove all the enhancements so you see the difference. Okay, let me tap on duplicate. Let's duplicate this video. Just to duplicate, so I have a duplicate of this video, and in this duplicate I'm going to be removing all the enhancements. Okay, let me go to filter. Okay, then I go to adjust. Okay, then I'm going to be removing all this enhancement in this second clip so you see the difference. Okay, I'm taking it back to 0, everything back to 0, everything back to 0. Okay, so you see the difference of what I'm saying here. Okay, everything back to 0, right? Sharpness. So everything is in 0 in the second clip. So let me play this first clip for you. Now this is the first clip. Okay, as you guys can see here, the first clip is popping. So you can add enhancement to your video. You can color grade your video. If your video was filmed in a low light, okay, you can enhance it to be like this. Now see the original video. Are you seeing that there is a huge difference between the first video and the second video? The first video was enhanced while the second video, okay, was not enhanced. And that is the power of color grading your video. That is the power of adding enhancement to your video. Once you are done color grading your video, remove the watermark here, then go to export and export your video. There you have a well enhanced and well color graded video. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.